the sky has really cleared up and the rain has stopped, and I'm headed to the river. Okay, here at the first spot, got my GoPro going. This will be a trial run, we'll see how it goes. Pretty uneventful so far, other than that little pesky trout which came off at the last second. The water's kind of dirty, not too high, but we'll keep on trying. Wind is picking up strongly. We've got a big front moving in up there. Okay, so it is now raining bigly out here. Lots and lots of rain, so I need to come up with a quick change of game plan. Well, right as I got to the next spot, got this raincoat on, I realized my pocket was open on my backpack and my wallet was not there. So I am backtracking to try to find my wallet. Rain. That was mildly stressful. If you're anything like me, you lose something like your wallet and you just assume the worst. You assume it's floating down there in the river and it's just gone. Better yet, thunder is rolling in now, so I was starting to get a little bit worried, but actually found it without too much trouble.